Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the new Team Harvest event works in Grow a Garden Summer Update 2026 and how you can get all of the rewards. Okay, let's get into it. Basically, the Team Harvest event is part of the High Tide Harvest Update. Every time you submit eligible fruits to the Harvest machine, you will earn Harvest points, and these points count toward your personal rewards, but they also contribute to your team shared progress. Your goal is to work together with your teammates to reach the daily point requirement before the day ends. If your team reaches the goal, everyone who contribute can claim that day's team reward. And keep in mind that the team progress resets every day, guys. So you will need to complete the objective again each day. To unlock the final grand reward, your team must successfully complete the daily objective on 6 out of the 7 event days. So try not to miss too many days. If you want to finish the event faster, keep harvesting and submitting eligible fruits as often as possible. Joining an active server or playing with friends can also make a huge difference since everyone contributes to the same team progress. And okay guys, that's all you need to know about the Team Harvest event in Grow a Garden. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more Grow a Garden guides. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!